I don't like this school.
Huh?
Wait for me!
Hey! What's next?
A LEGO cafeteria!
Welcome, everyone!
Hello! Hello!
Choose your lunch. What do you have? Today we have corn, salad, and blueberry. No thanks. Let's eat our own lunch. Okay.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Real food is not allowed. Huh? Put it here.
Okay.
Oh, no. What should we eat?
Surprise!
Try this.
Yeah!
Wow!
Yummy.
Ow, it's not eatable.
What?
It's made out of blocks.